Cropping tools. At times, we need to remove a part of the image while editing. Photoshop provides a variety of tools to crop the images. Let us take a look at these tools. Crop tool. Crop tool is used to trim an image and remove unwanted areas from the image. You can also make a new image from the original image without affecting the original image. To use the crop tool, follow the given steps. Click on the crop tool. Handles can be seen in each of the 4 corners as well as in the middle of the side. Then just drag these handles to crop the image according to the requirement and press Enter key when done. The selected image within the boundary would be separated from the rest of the parts that were outside the boundary. Perspective crop tool. Sometimes we need to work on an image which has some deformity. It happens when an object is photographed from a different angle instead of a straight view. This can make a square look like a trapezoid. With the help of the perspective crop tool, we can stretch or shrink the image. This tool will also help us to elongate the subject as though you had taken the photo from a different perspective. To use perspective crop tool, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on crop tool. 2. Select perspective crop tool. 3. First, draw the cropping border around the image. You will notice the crop handles and a grid appears all over the cropped area. 4. Now, start dragging to crop the image and press the Enter key from the keyboard. Slice tool and Slice Select tool. Slice tool divides an image or layout into smaller sections called slices, which can be exported and developed separately. This is mainly used for web publications. These small slices can be saved as a separate file and can be modified using the Save for Web command. The slices created manually are called user slices. As we create user slices, Photoshop automatically divides the rest of the area. Slice tool automatically becomes Slice Select tool whenever we hover over a user slice. This allows us to edit it without having to manually select the Slice Select tool each time. To use Slice tool and Slice Select tool, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on crop tool. 2. Select Slice tool or Slice Select tool. 3. Click and drag across an image manually. Press Shift plus click to add slices to the selection. Now you can move, resize or align these slices. You can also put up a name, message and URL for the slice by double-clicking on a slice.